brakes on, mate?
Yeah. Shit. What is he doing?
I've got no idea. So did I.
Maybe he started skidding or something.
Oh, I don't think so. I don't like it.
Have you been behind you for long?
Oh, a long time. Oh, it's just a good Probably because I was braking when I was going 120 down the hill.
Oh. Well, he shouldn't be that close to
Sorry?
you. He shouldn't be that close to you. That
Oh, he was only about bloody 30, 40, 50 foot away. Got him.
I hope he has. Go on, mate, get him. I feel like stopping and saying, but say it.
I don't need to worry about it, he's got him.
Yeah, good. Yeah, because he was speeding, wasn't he?
Oh, when he came past it, and then he went and overtook that car down there just in the right spot.
Oh, this one in front.
Yeah, well, he overtook him
Yeah.
just as the cop was down. The cop didn't
Yeah.
catch him.
Shit.
I got him.
Good. Yeah, serves you right, mate. I like that.
That was where the fucking hell's the coppers when you need them.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I mean, did you see where the cop car was? The cop car was just coming along. It
He
wasn't
was just
right.
coming along, and
Yeah.
he pulled out to overtake him as the copper car was coming,
Yeah.
right on the bend, and he was over the double whites,